Hello everyone, welcome to the Great American Stash Bash Halloween edition. Yes, it's not quite October and we're doing Halloween, but yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. Anyway, this month for cards on the last day of the month, well, let me step back. This is a collab that is hosted by Heather's Handmade Haven. And it's an informal collab. You can join in whenever you want to. She has another one. It's the same one, but on the 10th, I think it is, for tags, which I don't do anymore. I did the first couple and I stopped. But on the last day of the month, we do cards and we have a theme. And this month it's Halloween. So I only made one card. I don't really have a need for a lot of Halloween cards. So let me show you what I made. Ta-da! Now, because this is Great American Stash Bash, this didn't even put a dent, but I did use old stash. So once again, I used one of the 5x7 cards and envelopes that I'm trying to use up, that were my mind's eye in my stash of pack of 50 or whatever. This and this, they were scraps, and I don't remember which paper pad they're out of, but I know it was one I got on clearance like 2 or 3 years ago at AC Moore. They had a big bin of all these Halloween, and I think it was all Halloween, and they were like old already paper pads, and I got it really dirt cheap. But anyway, I just thought this looked like trick-or-treaters, right, going around, and this looked like maybe they're on stage dancing Halloween or something, and this looks like the curtain coming down or whatever. This is a Dollar Tree foamy sticker, I'm pretty sure, as is the cat, sparkly one. The eyeball is from Dollar Tree. This Halloween with the raven, the witch, and the pot, I had bought, I'm going to say in like 2017. Yeah, probably 16 or 7. Yeah, it would have been 17. I think 17. Anyway, it was peachy cheap. It's the peachy cheap dies. So I used this Halloween, the pot, and the witch. And I think that's it. I don't think I used any other ones. This happy is out of Stampin' Up's Word Wishes dies that go with the Well Written, I think it is, set. I forget. It's either well set or well written. And I cut them out, and this and these two out of just Stampin' Up's basic black cardstock. And then I just glued it all down. And then on the inside, I used the bat out of those peachy cheap, not the bat, the spider out of the peachy cheap dies as well. This, this green sparkly stuff in the background, that is Doodlebug, and I'm pretty sure I got that online a year, well, no, 2 or 3 years ago, probably 3 years ago. I know it says it was Doodlebug, even though this was a scrap too, because on the back of it, it had the little Doodlebug designs thing, but I couldn't see a year on it, and it was called Limeade, I think it said. So I thought that went well. And then, so I just put a strip of that inside. This is Stampin' Up's basic black and Whisper white. And that's it. That is my card. I guess I probably will be sending that to my daughter and her family for Halloween. This is my little Dollar Tree, I think, solar guy. So happy Halloween a month early to everybody. Yeah. And he's solar and he's been sitting in the dark, so like me, he's in the dark. Have a great day. Have a great October, everybody. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.